Next in C, we are going to see how to pass structure as a parameter to a function. So it can be done in two ways. First is call by value and second is call by reference. If we are using call by value, then in calling function we have to pass a copy of structure, and if we are using call by reference, then we have to pass we have to use pointer, and we can access the address of structure through that pointer. So first of all, we are going to see call by value. So hash include stdio.h, so header file, then struct, name of structure is add, and here I'm giving integer I and j as its two members, and here I'm creating variable of this structure. Name of that variable is a, and here within main function, first of all I will be giving function prototype. Name of a function is we'll be giving sum, and its return type we'll be giving is void. So void sum, and here struct, name of structure is add. In this we are going to add two numbers with the help of structure and function. This is our function prototype. And here printf, enter the value of I scanf within double quotes percentage d comma. To access structure member we have to use structure variable. So ampersand, structure variable is a and structure member is I. Here we are accessing I. Similarly, enter the value of j, and here we have to do a dot j. Here we have to give function call. So name of function is sum, and here we have to pass structure variable a. So this is our function call, and after this function call, control will go to function definition. So return type is void, name of function is sum, and as an argument we have to pass struct, then name of structure is add, and here our structure variable. Here I'm giving one more integer variable, integer s, and initializing, we'll give sum and we'll initialize it with 0, and then sum equals to a dot I, a is structure variable and I is structure member, plus a dot j, and here in the end we have to print the value of sum of I and j equals to percentage d comma, and here we have to give sum, and in the end return 0. Save your program, build it, and then run it. So it is asking me enter the value of I have given 7, enter the value of j, I have given 9, and addition of I and j is 19. So here we are returning value. If we don't want to, here we are not returning any value. If we want to return a value, in that case we have to make certain changes in our program. For that, here in function prototype we have to change return type from void to integer, and here we have to declare one more variable, integer s, and we have to initialize it 0. Here s equals to sum, and this is our function call, and here we have to return return type should be integer instead of void. It is going to be same, and here to remove all this, return within bracket a dot I plus a dot j, and here we have to print value of s. And here return 0. Build it and then run it. And at the value of I have given 8. Again we are given value of j as 8. It should be 16. So addition of I and j is 16. Now if we don't want to put value of I and j through printf and scanf statement, we directly want to statically initialize it. So for that, here I'm deleting all this printf and scanf statements, and here struct name of structure is add, structure variable we are giving is a, we are giving it here, so we have to remove it from here, equals to, and here within curly bracket we have to initialize it. Here I'm initializing it with 7 and 9. One more structure variable we can create, struct add, here name should be different, equals to, here I'm passing 8 and 8, and here one more integer variable, integer s1, and initialize it with 0. So it is our first function call. Here we have passed a, so it is going to take 7 and 9 for addition, and here we have printed addition of 7 and 9, and here we are printing s, so s is going to print sum of 7 and 9. After getting this function call, control is going to go here, and here after addition it is going to print the value of sum, that is s. One more function call we are giving here, s1 equals to sum, within bracket we have to pass a1. Again after this function call, control will go here and it will add these two numbers 8 and 8, and again it is going to return it to main function. So here we have to print the value of s1. Save your program, build it, and then run it. So it has given 7 plus 9, that is 16, and 8 and 8 is also 16. So here we have seen how to pass structure as a parameter to function as call by value. Next we are going to see how to pass structure as a parameter to function in call by reference way.